Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your machine supports virtualization and has enough resources. Enable VTX/AMDV in BIOS if needed. Next, download the Kali Linux 64-bit ISO and install your virtualization app VirtualBox or VMware. Once installed, create a new virtual machine. Pick Linux, Debian-based, allocate at least 4 GB RAM, 2 CPU, and a 20 GB dynamically allocated virtual disk. Then attach the Kali ISO to the VM's optical drive, and you're ready to boot into the installer. Once the VM boots from the ISO, choose Graphical Install to keep things straightforward. You'll walk through locale, network hostname, and user setup, use clear names and a secure password. For disk partitioning, guided with entire disk is simplest. Use LVM if you plan snapshots or expansion. Proceed to install the base system, grub bootloader, and optionally open SSH. Make sure to select standard utilities and any penetration testing collections you need. After installation finishes, reboot and remove the ISO image. After first boot, install Guest Editions or VMware tools to enable shared clipboard, proper resolution, and driver support. Then update the system with sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade to fetch security updates and tools. Reboot if a new kernel was installed. Make sure network adapters are set to NAT or bridged as required. If the VM fails to boot or shows kernel issues, try toggling EFI or secure boot, or increase memory and CPU allocation in VM settings. These quick fixes resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.